Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 16, 2024. 5-star Sudoku. Column G, column I, 8th row, 9th row, VO1. So one can't come these cells. Then only confirm here. Column E, column D, VO7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirm here. Then 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 5. Column A, column B, VO2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirm here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, and third row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Second row, third row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, third row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First grade, column I we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. First row and second row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. First row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. 6th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column A and 8th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, column E, column B we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. First row and second row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Column G, column H also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Fourth row, column B, column C we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row and 4th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row and 5th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 4 numbers are remaining 7, 9 and 2 and 5. Third row we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. The ninth grade 2 will come in one of these cells, will confirm later. Ninth row column E we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in one of these cells. Ninth row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Then column E only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 5th grade column D 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, 9th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 3rd row 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column G we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column H we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. The 9th row 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column G we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th grade we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 3rd grade 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column I only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade and column G 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. 4th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 4th row 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column B we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 4th grade 5th row only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 7th grade and 8th row 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column B we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, then 6 is confirmed here. Column B 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 2nd row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 1st grade 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column C we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 1st row we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th grade and 7th row only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.